Child, YouTube done got me all hot and bothered. I forgot to tell y'all why, planetary hours, knowing planetary hours are of value. So this is part a numero dos. Oh, okay. So planetary hours, how you can use them. Aside from the convenience factor of, you wanting to tap into the energy of a particular planet without waiting for the day that that planet rules over, that's how you can use planetary hours. That's one of the benefits. So say, for instance, it's Monday. You don't want to wait until Saturday to use that Saturn cleansing, powerful cleansing energy. So do your cleansing spell during the Saturn planetary hour on Monday. Another excellent thing about planetary hours is it lets you create a recipe of energy, if you will. Because there's a lot of similarities between like putting a spell together and putting a meal together. All of these different elements, sometimes you want to just make a really spicy dish and that's the focus. Or sometimes you want to make something just really sweet, or sometimes you want, a medley of flavors. So, planetary hours can be used to amplify. Okay, we're just working with Saturn energy and just amplifying, using herbs and things that Saturn rules over, doing it during the Saturn planetary hour on a Saturday, and really amplifying things. Or what you can do is make a medley of energy. So say, for instance, you want to do a love spell, but one of the issues that you want to focus on is the fact that y'all are having communication troubles. So you could do that spell on a Friday for that Venus love energy, but then you could also do it during the Mercury planetary hour to address the communication issues. So, think of that, how all of the different elements and these different properties and how you can tie them together to really get, to really take a comprehensive and holistic approach to whatever issue it is that you're trying to solve with magic, or help solve with magic. So that's my quick little tidbit, guys. YouTube didn't got me off my damn square, but I'm back on it. Okay, I'm back on it. And that's the benefit of planetary hours, or how you work with them. Well, both. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned.